little spiffy here tonight, you know what I'm saying? We didn't even got no grease on our hands. We're just walking around drinking beer and figured we'd make a video. Can you dig that, buddy? So tonight, this is for the folks that like to just hear me talk, get a little inside info about Highway 83, maybe what it's like to run a business. It's not all chugging beer and a gay old time. No, it can't be. There's stressful times and there's things that get you frustrated. So here's a couple of Tony's pet peeves. There's a long list. We're just gonna knock off a few just to make you guys giggle or maybe make you think a little bit. Number one, how about this? So you order something and you put the wrong address, and that's what we got. So we shipped that shit to said address, and you all of a sudden like, hey man, I didn't get my shit. And I'm like, oh really? Well, tracking number says that is sitting on your doorstep right now. And customers like, nah man, that's the wrong address, dude, what's up? And I'm like, hey man, we shipped it to what we had. We can't just pull something out of our butt. We can only use what you gave us. So I'm not talking trash about my customers because I would never do such. I'm just breaking your balls here and trying to get a little, like, hey, before you click that submit payment button, double, triple check. That's my current address, my new address. That ain't my ex-old lady's address. That ain't my neighbor Fred. That ain't the place I lived at 10 years ago. I mean, you got to do your work. You got to put in a little, come on, man. Help a guy out. So, hey. That's number one. Get your address straight. Now here's number two, and this one pertains to a lot of these videos I've been making, and this one kind of really gets up under my ass. It's like, I put in a lot of time. Jennifer puts in a hell of a lot of time too making the videos, and we're trying to run a business here, shipping stuff out and working on trucks and all that. And I get all these guys asking questions about how to fix their trucks, and that's cool and all that. So then I recommend a video of ours, or I tell you, hey, this is how you're going to time your engine, top dead sounder, number 4, and all that great stuff, right? And the guy's like, I don't want to do that. And I'm like, well, buddy, you're asking me for advice and you don't want to take the advice? Well, then there's nothing I can do for you. I mean, this conversation's over. I mean, now you're just kind of wasting my time, and it's rude to all the other customers that actually want to buy something and actually are, it's just straight out bad. It's like, hey, if you want help on how to fix your car, and I tell you what I would do, that's all I can do. I can't fly through the cell phone and fix it for you. So if you want help, you gotta follow the directions, just like with the videos. You gotta watch the video from start to finish. You can't just fast forward to the end and be like, oh yeah, this shit didn't fix it. You didn't do a damn thing, man. You gotta, I like to help people that like to help themselves. You see what I'm saying? So if you're motivated and you're like, hey, tell me what to do and I'll do it, we'll have this shit knocked out real quick. But if you're gonna resist the whole situation and not do anything I tell you, and then be upset that I'm not helping or it's not working, well, you only got yourself to blame. So if you ask for help, be ready to do what's told. Follow the videos, do what I do, and if you don't like that, that's cool too. But hey, I'm helping you for free. What more do you want? All right. And let's just throw one more in here real quick. There's a long list, but hey, how about this? And this one we already made a video about that we're about to publish because I'm sick of answering it. I'm trying to run a business. I'm selling multiple orders a day. I mean, I'm on the phone all day. I'm texting all day. I'm doing a lot of work. And then I got a customer like, hey, where's my $1,000 of parts? And I'm like, sorry, I'm busy right now answering a call about what size tires are on this frickin' Rambo over here. Like, dude, stop it. I just, come on, man. I'm trying to run a damn business, and everyone's like, that's a pretty bitchin' ass Sammy out there, man. What's the paint coat? What's the tire size? What's the wheel size? What's the lift size? What's the miles per gallon? What's the top speed on that thing, huh? What are the seats from? What's the... Dude, you're killing me, bro. You're killing me, bro. So we made a whole video on We're just a whole. Can you imagine a whole freaking video on just the wheel size on this freaking truck, man? It's insane. That's how many people contact me daily at sick truck, bro. What size wheels are on there? How much lift to clear? So we made a whole video on that. That's gonna just zip up all those lips, and I'm gonna tell you, check out the video. So this is just a little joshing around video of Tony's pet peeves of, hey, and you all got them. You all got jobs, right? You go to work, some guy's up your ass every single day, and you're just like, man, this guy irks me here or there. So it's just a little, yeah, this is the stuff. So hopefully you find it entertaining because it's all fun and games. I love all of the customers. Without you, I'd be a pile of crap because I need you guys. We love you. We just got to show you, come on, man, help us out. Get them addresses right. Listen to the advice. Stop asking about the tires. Come on, man. Order some parts. Highway 83 Suzuki. Grab yourself some Miller High Life. We'll be back on the next video.